So dito po tayo ngayon sa team building activities ng mga first year students from Philippine Normal University South Luzon. And we are very excited to have this kind of one momentous event here at sa taong ito. Guys, abangan ninyo. Bye!
Enjoy nature and grow together, not just as individuals, but as one supportive community.
Naponsaya namin at excited namin na makapagpahagi sa recreation team building activities na ito. I feel enjoy na big spirit.
Hindi ko alam kung bakit ako leader.
Connection and communication.
Laro, na-enjoy po namin kasama po kayo, Coach.
Maraming salamat po.
Today's outdoor recreation and team building activities have not given us only to connect with the nature or step away from the different daily routines or yung inyong ACADS. But then again, it reminded us the value and power of unity. Napakahalaga, di ba? I want to end my closing remark with a quotation na paborito ko kay Henry Ford. Coming together is a beginning. Keeping together is a progress, and working together is a success. Once again, good afternoon everyone, at I hope na kayo ay masaya at uuwi tayong ligtas. Maraming salamat sa lahat sa pagmamahal.